So hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Crypto Jason. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to a crypto project named as the Fair Stake. So as the name suggests, this project follows the model of auto staking, wherein on every transaction that happens on the Fair Stake, 3% of the total amount is redistributed among all the hodlers. So the more Fair Stake tokens you hodl, the more Fair Stake tokens you can get totally for free. So in this video friends, I'm gonna give you an in-depth review about the Fair Stake token. Also, I will teach you how you can own some Faststick token, and at the end of the video, I'll be also teaching you how you can farm your Faststick tokens and get an APR of up to 100%. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel till now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. The very first thing that we will be doing is, let us go to the official website of Faststake, which is faststake.io. Once we are on this website, you can see Faststake aims to manage a pre-sale in DXL services to raise enough liquidity for PancakeSwap pool. Further, it's important we make sure that you know that the ownership will be fully renounced. So let me tell you friends, this website haven't been updated since the pre-sale. So this is the contract address that we will be using after a few minutes in order to buy the Faststick tokens. So talking about the liquidity is locked until 2023. So liquidity lock is for over 2 years. And friends, it is already being audited by third parties. Also let me tell you, this token is community driven token. This is the total supply of Fairstake, wherein 95% is added into liquidity, 3% is added for farming, and 1% of the total supply is dedicated for the marketing. Also, the most interesting thing is that there is only 1% of the total supply that is allotted for the team members. Now let us have a look at the roadmaps. The pre-sale had happened in the DXL, listing was done at PancakeSwap. They have already applied for CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap. The next thing that they will be doing is improve the website. As we already saw, they haven't updated their website since the pre-sale, so that would be also done in the quarter second. And at the end, farming system would be developed, which has already been done. So the process to be carried out in the quarter third and fourth has not yet decided. How to buy fair tokens. So I'll be explaining about this a few minutes later about Fairstake. Fairstake also used Tenet to reward the community. Everyone that provide liquidity on the PancakeSwap and temporary lock them on Tenet will earn more rewards. So here it is written that if you provide liquidity in the PancakeSwap, you will get rewarded using 3% of the total supply to give the extra rewards. Now friends, let me teach you how you can farm your tokens. So in order to do that, just click on farm on Canal. Once you click on that link, you will be redirected to this website and you will be asked for your MetaMask access. Just click on the next and click on the connect. Wait for a few seconds, and once you're done, again click on the connect, and you can see my wallet address over here and all the tokens that you can stake. You can also stake your Canal tokens and get an APY of up to 102%. Let us scroll down a bit and search for the Fairstake. You can see Fairstake is giving an API of up to 93%. So this is really an important information that you should know. You must be having at least 250 Canal in your wallet. Only then you will be able to stake your Fair tokens. So in order to do that, let us just click on the buy Canal. So even after clicking on the buy Canal, it did not redirect me to any website. So what I'm gonna do is I will find for the contract manually. So this is the contract address which ends at 08. So I have added the contract address as well as the PancakeSwap link in the description below. Make sure that you use that link only. Before you actually proceed to buy, just click on the view on BSC scan. This particular contract headers have 6500 plus hodlers. Also you can see it is verified on the BSC scan. So once you check all those information, only then click on the import. Now let us proceed to buy off 250 canals. Let me tell you friends, there is a fee that would be charged whenever you try to buy 250 canal. So I will suggest you please buy at least 260 canals. Only then you will get at least 250 canal in your wallet address. So once I have inserted the amount, you can see it is worth over $12. Let me now give my MetaMask access to the PancakeSwap. You can see we have successfully linked MetaMask to PancakeSwap. So let me now proceed to buy the canals. Here friends, you can see I did a small mistake. Instead of buying 260 kernels, I just bought 250. So I'll buy that a few minutes later. Put the slippage as 4%. Once you're done, click on the swap. And then click on the confirm swap. Let us wait for a few seconds. Here you can see friends, it is asking for my MetaMask confirmation. Just click on the confirm. After you click on the confirm, the transaction has been successfully submitted. Let us wait for a few more seconds. Even after buying 249 kernels, I just got 242 in my wallet balance. So what I have done is I have again purchased some amount of kernels. So here you can see friends, right now I am holding 484 kernels. Now the next thing that we will be doing is let us proceed to buy the Fairstake token. So you can simply copy the contract address from the website. So once you have successfully done that, paste that contract address, click on the import. So friends, for the demonstration purpose, I'll be buying the FAIR token worth of $6. So before you actually proceed to buy, please make sure that this time you keep the slippage as 6%. So once we have successfully done that, just click on the confirm. And friends, you can see I have successfully purchased $6 worth of FAIR tokens. So let us wait for a few seconds until it gets reflected. There is a 5% transaction fee that would be charged on every FAIR purchase. So once I'm done, I'll simply add the token into the MetaMask, and you can see friends, my purchase has been successfully done. Now let us go back to the staking website and let me refresh this page. The next thing that we need to do is we need to approve the token. You can see friends, if you stake your FAIR tokens, you will get an APY of 93%. Let me tell you friends, the APY percentage is not a fixed percentage and it is showing how much balance worth of FAIR tokens I am holding. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll be simply copying the balance amount and then paste it onto the bracket over here, and then I will click on the board. You can see friends, whenever you stake or unstake, 10% of fees would be charged. Please make sure that you stake at least for a few weeks. Only then you will be able to recover the fees that you are paying. So once I'm done, I'll give an access to my MetaMask. Let us wait for a few more seconds. And friends, as you can see, our staking has been successfully completed and the amount that I have staked is reflected over here. So friends, this is how you can stake your tokens and get an APY of up to 94%. So that is it for the video. So guys, hope you have watched the whole video and liked my review about the Fairstake token. If you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have taught in this particular video, you can comment down below. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.